Remove the trim panel on the side of the passenger seat. Unscrew the screws on the passenger cab floor and remove the bottom plate. Unscrew all screws on the glove box. Remove the glove box. Unplug the video cable behind the head unit. Take out Carplay's LVDS cable to dock with the video cable, and connect the other end to the head unit. Take out the Carplay main line and unplug the 48-pin main line on the back of the head unit. Connect the main line of Carplay with the main line of the original car. Connect the other end of the Carplay main line to the head unit. Connect the main line to the box. Use a tool to remove the air conditioner panel. Remove the air conditioner panel and pull out the plug on the back. Take out the gateway adapter cable of Carplay and connect it with the plug on the back of the original car air conditioning panel. Connect the other end of the gateway adapter cable to the back of the air conditioner panel. Lead the gateway adapter cable from the center to the co-pilot and connect to the Carplay's main line. Dock the 2-pin plug on the Carplay main line with the 2-pin plug on the LVDS line. Connect Carplay's LVDS cable to the box. Connect the USB cable to the box. Similarly, connect a Bluetooth antenna and a Wi-Fi antenna to the Carplay module. The dialing code on the module needs to correspond to the screen size of the original car. Please set it according to the dialing table on the module. The Carplay module can be placed in the space inside the glove box. Carplay installation is complete. Restore the original car layout. Enter the media interface in the original vehicle system and select AUX. Long press the Setup button to switch the Carplay system. Enter the Bluetooth interface to view Bluetooth information. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the phone settings interface. Search for and connect to Carplay Bluetooth. Pay attention to the pop-up message and click Pair and Allow. Click to use Carplay. Connect successfully and enjoy wireless Carplay. After the first connection, the subsequent automatic connection on the car, Carplay is using 5G wireless transmission, extremely fast operation experience.
Touareg 触摸工作。美女语音控制。
什么视频连接线？
这个网关线。
音量加减。
我现在严重怀疑你哪根线拉到了。
音量加减。